And welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can speed up your Android device. So in the first step I am always starting from clearing the trash files. So we have to open the files and go to the clean. Now you can clean up here your phone. Okay, and the second way it's opening the settings, and we have to go to the system and expand this menu. Now go to the about phone and slide down to the build number. Now hit it 7 times. How you can see, now we are in the developer mode, so we can open these options. And we're looking for one option. Now look for animation scale and set it to or off or the smallest one. How you can see, now we don't have an animation of transitions, and your phone should work a little bit faster. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and remember to always turn off background sites to speed up your phone. Goodbye.